Alright guys, I've been falling more and more in love with Ridgid as a brand. I've had a lot of their accessories as well as some of their corded tools, but now it's time to dive into the cordless platform. And what better way to do so than with a pretty cool kit. So I have right here is I have our Ridgid, I have the oscillating multi-tool. Now this is the kit because like I said, I don't have the platform. So this comes with a battery and a charger as well as their oscillating multi-tool. So let's take a look at what we get inside the box and let's see whether it's a great fit for you guys to hop on the Ridgid platform and get maybe a deal like this. Alright guys, let's break this open and see what we got inside. Okay guys. So right off the bat, I can see we have two batteries. So this kit actually comes with two batteries. So it comes with two of your 2 amp hour batteries with the kit, which is great because I don't have this platform like I said earlier. What do we got next? What we have next is we have their charger. So this is their charger that you can mount on the wall, and it's mainly like a wall mount charger system. Different than all the rest of the chargers I'm normally used to. The DeWalt, the Ridgid, the DeWalt, the Craftsman, Milwaukee's, all of them are completely different than this one as well. So that's interesting. With this kit, you come with sanding paper, sanding pad, one blade. Most of the stuff is just to try it out. Pretty standard. Instruction manual, again, like always. Then finally we have our multi-tool here. So as you can see here, let's take a look at this multi-tool a little bit more in depth. Alright, now I'm going to walk you through the features of this Ridgid multi-tool here. So first and foremost, this is a variable speed tool. So you have 1 all the way to 6 settings right here. So that's a very nice dial. You're able to keep, it doesn't go 1 to 2. It has little indentations all the way up to get you the variability all the way up to 6. So you have that options right there. So there's 6 of those options, and the RPMs are 10,000 to 2,000 oscillations per minute, depending on your speed. So 10,000 at 1, and at 6 it's 20,000. So there you go. The oscillation itself is 3.2 degrees. So not only does this vibrate back and forth, but it oscillates slightly because it has a sanding function too. But that's 3.2 degrees, so it's not very big of a throw. Anyways, next let's go over the keyless blade change here. So that's kind of a necessity with any multi-tool in my opinion, is keyless blade change. So that's with this front lever right here. So front lever, you pull it all the way like that, and it retracts and allows you to keyless change here. So that's how you do the keyless change with that. Finally, you have your on-off switch, which is just a little with this little switch here. So it's not like a paddle or anything like that, it's a switch, so it's great. What we're also featuring here is we're featuring a rubberized grip. So this is very grippy and very comfortable actually to hold right here. There's rubber also up here, so in case you need to hold this for whatever reason, like here or something like that, that is here, and that's going to be comfortable for you. So you have the rubber here, you have the rubber there. 2 very important parts in my opinion that you want to have rubber. So we've addressed the switch, we've addressed the keyless blade change, as well as the oscillating features. So let's now check into, I'm going to put on the different attachments to show you guys how to put on these attachments with this tool. Alright, so what are the accessories that come with this tool to start off with? You get 1 piece of sandpaper, which of course, thank you Ridgid for 1 piece of sandpaper. With your backing plate. You get a drywall circle thing that I never use, and then you get 1 blade, because hey. So let me show you how to attach these different attachments. So you pull this up, this is loose. You're gonna push this to, if this is facing you, to the right hand side, and pull this up. Now you have this piece sticking up. Let's see, sticking up instead of flat, up. Okay, all right. just figured out something. You can't have the sandpaper on when you want to put this on. You're gonna put this through here onto that. So now it's through there. So now you're gonna push this down, push it over. Now pull your thing back down. Now it's tight on there and it's locked on. It is not coming off. That's pretty. That is, yeah. Now you have your tool with your sander attachment on there. Okay. We learned something with that. So that's definitely unique. Versus there's some methods that require you to have an Allen key. You unscrew that and then you put the new plate on. The DeWalt has a little lever that you press and it just basically pushes out. You're able to slide things on and off. This is different. This is very interesting. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Let's put on the other attachments just to show you real quick. Also guys, putting on this one, I just noticed something that might be of some interest to some of you. So these actually have two magnets right here that I'm able to place on there and it's able to magnetize on. So I can flip this upside down and shake it and it's on there. So that's really cool. Let me give you guys a closer look at this with the GoPro here. So again, let's just show you. You see these two magnets right here. Put this down on it and boom, it just snaps right on. Can't even shake it off. Obviously you want it locked on, but look at that. Then all you do, down, over to about center, pull your flap down, and that thing is on there. Also, if you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. If you guys paid attention to my vision video, linked up there, you'll see that one of my goals is to reach 1,000 subscribers this year so I can get monetized. I already have my 4,000 watch hours. I just need a subscriber, so I want to continue doing that. Alright guys, what I want to do real quick is check out the charger just to show you guys, because this is my first impressions of it too. So I don't have it mounted, but here's how the charger lines up. You can see my DeWalt charger as well as my Craftsman charger, and then my Milwaukee 12-volt charger. So you can see how much different this new charging style kind of is. So because of that, it comes with a bigger brick. All these come with little plugs, and these are that's a fast charger too. That comes with a little plug. That's for my LED strips. But this is a giant plug for this little charger thing here. So let's check out the batteries. Let's check out the batteries, and man, I'm a sucker for nice clean batteries here. Man, this is a nice looking battery. So let's walk you through again. Preface: this is a toolkit review, so all what I'm going to be going over real quick is just a quick overview of the tools, the battery, the charger, because this is my first impressions of Ridgid ever. Okay, back to it. All right, so we look here at the battery. We see here, in order to get them off, we have these two little tabs that we squeeze, and it brings this bottom part down. These are independent little ears, so if you pull one down, you still have the other one sticking up. You have to have both down or pull it out. Also, what I really appreciate about it also is more and more of these batteries are getting to where you tap it and it shows, versus you have to hold it. That was like the old DeWalt system. The newer DeWalt batteries have the tap and show, which is great. So overall, this is a really cool, this is a 2 amp hour battery, and I'll show you how this mounts on the charger. Okay, so this is, you know, your average weight in my opinion for a multi-tool. I think it is a little long here. Let me measure that actually real quick with my tape measure. Do it live. So from this head right here, that's, wow. This flare right here to about the head is 12.5 inches. And then that's not even counting your blade. So your blade, overall profile with the blade on to the back of your battery, 16 inches. Right? That's pretty big in my opinion. That's not what you want with a multi-tool. You kind of want it to be kind of small and compact. So I'm used to the DeWalt Atomic series, so that's kind of like the XRs and stuff. So those tools are very compact normally. So that's actually a point of concern. If you need to get into tight places, this is probably not going to be a tool unless you have 16 inches of clearance from the blade to the back of the battery. Alright guys, finally, real quick, I have an idea. What I used in the past for a multi-tool at my home is this cheap Chicago Harbor Freight multi-tool. This was $11, and so, you know, I needed it for the time, and that's about it. But there's a lot of things that suck about it. What I want to do is I want to compare it to the Ridgid multi-tool I just got. So what I want to do is I want you guys to suggest down in the comments different tests I should run these through to kind of see how badly the Ridgid can defeat the Harbor Freight. But it's cool to compare. So what I'll do is I'll make sure there's the same blades on there and everything. But I definitely want to do a comparison video and a challenge between these two tools here. So give me some challenge ideas down in the comment section below, and I'll make that happen for you guys. So final thoughts about this tool. So final thoughts on this kit here. So I'm actually really happy with the kit, mainly because for me, I don't have Ridgid tools. This is my first Ridgid tool. So I needed the battery, I needed the charger, I needed all of it. And that's what this kit offers here. So like I said, it's a review of the kit, not just the tool. So the batteries are cool. I got one charging right now. The charger's pretty cool. It's pretty compact, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now when it comes to the actual tool, I like a lot of the features of it. The switch is very nice. The keyless blade change, I didn't like it at first because I thought it'd just be too many extra steps. Didn't make sense to have that little pin come straight out to put your piece on and have it come straight in, and I thought it was a lot of fumbling, and I was holding on to the piece longer than I should have. Once I realized the magnets were there and they were actually holding it, there was no issue. So I'm very happy with the magnets as well. None of the other tools, multi-tools I know, have that. The lights, okay. The variable speed is actually really nice. I like the dial. The dial feels very compact and very firm. And then the plastic little grip here, your places you're probably going to touch the most, your high contact points, is very quality as well. Finally, the overall length might be a problem, concern. 16 inches from this blade tip to the battery end. So it's a pretty large tool. It's larger than the cordless tool, but you know what? I understand why it is larger to hold the battery. It's pretty balanced. So what do you guys think in the comments section? Do you guys think it's worth it? Let me tell you the price I paid for this tool real quick, and then let me tell you what it normally costs. So I paid, and this is what I posted. If you guys want to keep up with these tool deals and random finds I find, I'm living in Fresno, California. We don't get a lot of cool deals like in LA, San Francisco, New York, Dallas, wherever, Georgia, Atlanta, I don't know. Fresno, California doesn't get a lot of cool deals. This was on sale for 80 bucks for 2 batteries and a tool and a charger. Normally this is $299, so I saved like $220 just because I waited a little bit and I just happened to walk in the right store at the right time. So if you guys want to look for deals like that, pay attention to my community tab. Would I say this is worth it for 80 bucks? Of course, this is definitely worth it for 80 bucks. Would I pay $199 for it? Yeah, I would because of the batteries and stuff. Would I pay $299 for it? No, I wouldn't. But I need to get into the platform, and this is a cool way to do so. So I'm pretty impressed with Ridgid. Definitely going to add it to my lineup. I have so many different tools. What's next to come is there's going to be a power carving video. So I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of that already. You guys probably saw it in the video. This sign I'm making, I'm power carving this out, and I'm going to do some cool paint and stuff that comes with this power carving. So that's what's next on the channel. Also guys, just leave it a like, a comment, feedback, criticisms, whatever. Any things I didn't address in this video, hopefully I'll address in the next one with the challenge. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and God bless.